Hello everybody, my name is Priyanka Gautam Gupte. I am studying in Hiranandani Foundation School from Thane and I am in the 7th grade. Now I'll go to the 8th grade. So I am there at the Google home page. Now I need to search for a particular text. So I'll be searching for the Jaguar cars, which is what I've done now. I need to search for the same particular text. So I would like to mention it as how much did the Jaguar car costs, or which Jaguar car is the best, and are Jaguar cars good. Anything will do. Later we have to go for an image. I have the images in front of me. Now I need to go to tools. I need to go to size. I need to do it large. Then I need to set time. Time should be past week. And so I don't have a type. I don't have that. But I have the usage rights and it's labeled for use. So that one on the corner, as you see, is 5 days ago and it is good. So this will do. Now I need to do a voice search. And I'm going to do a voice search now. So I will search for Jaguar cars again because that's more comfortable for me. So first we'll go to the Google homepage again. So that Google. There we go. We are at Google. Now I'll be doing a search. Voice search. Jaguar cars. So we have the Jaguar cars. Again, now what we are going to do is that we are going to, oh my god, I'm so sorry. We are going to cut away the car and we are just going to search for Jaguar and see what comes. So just search for Jaguar. And as you can see, there is mostly Jaguar vehicles. But there are images, there are cats and all those things. So I have done this. Now I need to search for a price of a material, or I can say a thing between some range. So I will say that I want a camera which has the price between rupees, let's say 35,000 and rupees. We did a mistake. 35,000 rupees, 65,000. So we have this DSLR cameras, which are between India, which are 2020. I have this. I have all of this. Now I need to change the currency. So I'm going to go to change currency. Change currency in Google. That's okay. So this is US dollars. So I'll keep it US dollars. And I will say amount, say 10,000. So 10,000 rupees over here is just like $130 over there. So this was my project. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.